Are you ready for a beach? High five. Low five. Thumbs up. Pound it. Good job.
Baby, we're children of summer. We're meant to be free. Honey, we're not like the other. No reason to be.
Bubba, what are you doing right in the front seat? Are you eating your lunch? How was music class? This girl's stuck on to the music teacher like a fly on rice. Wait, white on rice? How does it go? I don't know. White on rice, I'm pretty sure. But you just are a teacher's pet, huh? Yeah. And she loves to feel like she's like part of teaching the class.
Yeah.
It's so
like,
cute.
Everyone's looking at her, but she's like in control.
Yeah.
It's super funny.
It's so funny. So we just got to San Diego and we're gonna do a beach day.
Woo!
You haven't done a beach day in a long time.
Guess who's here, Bug? Hey, guess who's here?
Uncle Sonny. Yeah, you're gonna hang out with him. Whoa, whoa, don't fall. Be careful. We're just eating some lunch and then we're gonna head over to the beach. Look at this cart, you guys.
Woo,
That's how you do it. Hi, Uncle Sonny.
Hi.
Can you say hi, Uncle Sonny? You drinking milk?
Water.
I think we need to get you a new water bottle. Are you ready for a beach? High five. Low five. Thumbs up. Pound it. Good job. We are visiting Mission Beach. We've never been to this beach before. We usually always go to Orange County, which is like Newport, Laguna, but this is our first San Diego beach, so we're gonna see how it is. Sonny lives here and he says that it's the best beach he's ever been to, so.
High expectations.
High expectations, Sonny. Better be good. This place is full of toots. Toots. You want toots for breakfast?
There it is, the ocean. Woo!
Here we go.
Can the stroller do it? In the sand.
Oh.
Can it go? You got this?
It kind of actually
Beach
works.
Dad. Beach Papa. Bug, you're at the beach.
Ready, Bug?
Hi.
Oh. What do you think?
Ah.
Come on. Come on. Hurry.
Go, go, go. Go, go, go.
Starting to grow old, and I
There she
thought
goes.
it would last forever. Take me back to when we were kids and didn't care if we were acting stupid, 'cause all we had was us.
Maybe this is far enough.
If I close my eyes and think about us, I can see the person I know I should be. 'Cause honestly, I don't have no time to waste.
Is that
I'm trying
cool?
to come back to you because now I see we were meant to be. Where are you now? Heard you live far away, but just tell me where and I'll come see ya. 'Cause I'm afraid that I'll end up here alone. Hope you.
How you doing, Bug? You're all lathered up. I took her over to the water and I put her like about waist deep and she screamed. It's too cold for you, huh? And then she wanted to just like cling on to me the entire time. And she's like, I need a snack.
Now you've got your PB&J.
Yeah.
Got sunscreen mouth.
I don't have no time to waste. I'm trying to come back to you because now I see we were meant to be.
You playing in the sand? You got your sand bucket right there, huh? Cool. Whoa. She is just loving the beach. I'm not surprised though because she loves her sandbox. She's literally covered in sand though. But she doesn't seem to mind.
Is she scooping it into the bucket?
Yeah, she's scooping it
Aw.
into the bucket. Isn't that cute? I was
job,
gonna
bud.
help her build a sandcastle later, but
Yeah.
right now she's having fun. So we'll build a sandcastle. We'll build a sandcastle soon, okay, Bug? She looks so cute.
Cause honestly, I don't have no time to waste. I'm trying to come back to you because now I see we were meant to be. We were meant to be. We were meant to be. We were meant to be.
What's going on?
I don't know.
Oh God! Ah! It's like the worst umbrella ever!
This sucks. I can't put it down.
Just put it in the garbage can. Look at you two! You're so cute! You're so cute! Whee! Are you having so much fun, Bug? Whoa! Oh my goodness, you guys, that was like the funnest beach day ever. June loved it. She was covered in sand after that. I just gave her a bath and put her straight to bed. It's a little bit past her bedtime, but she took a little snooze in the car too, so I think she'll be good tomorrow. But so much fun. I love family days like that, where we just get to be together and hang out together and do things like go to the beach. Also, I think we're gonna try and go to the beach as much as possible while we're here, because who knows where we're moving to next, and who knows if there will be a beach. So we're gonna try and soak up those sun rays, soak up that ocean water as much as possible. But that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching it, you guys. We appreciate all of you. And if you liked this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up so that we know you liked it. And we'll see you tomorrow. Be where your feet are.